Good morning, students. I hope that all are well. Dear students, I am going to do the revision of chapter number 2. You know very well that globes and maps I have studied in previous classes. So, dear students, I am making a globe. So, how can you create a globe? Yes, you will make this type. A globe is a model of the earth. Yeah, you can say a globe is a spherical model of the earth. Yes, dear students, it is known as equator. Equator. What is this? So equator. Equator. यानी like this 0 डिग्री 0 डिग्री पे इक्वेटर है जिसको हम हिंदी में भूमध्य रेखा बोलते हैं. यस, नाउ हियर नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. दिस इज साउथ पोल एंड दिस इज नॉर्थ पोल. नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. नाउ आई एम कमिंग ट्रॉपिक ऑफ Arctic and here Antarctic. Here Tropic of Cancer, here Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. And here Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Okay, 0 degree and here 90 degree. 90 डिग्री पे नॉर्थ पोल एंड हियर साउथ पोल. तो हम ये बात कर रहे हैं कि लॉन्गिट्यूड लाइन लैटिट्यूड लाइन क्या है. विच लाइन आर पासिंग थ्रू ऑन द ग्लोब ईस्ट डायरेक्शन टू वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, दैट इज नॉन एज लैटिट्यूड लाइन. लैटिट्यूड लाइन्स. And which lines are coming from north direction to south direction, this is known as longitude line. Understand? Are you understanding? Yes, these lines are passing through north pole to south pole. Yani like this you can say north direction to south direction, it is known as longitude line. Understand? And number of latitude lines are 360 and number of longitudes are 180. So dear students, now I am coming globe. The globe is a spherical model of the earth and it represents the place where you are searching. If you want to go in any place, so that's by the help of globe you can go. And you know very well that you have listened the name of atlas. A book of map is known as atlas. A book of map is known as atlas. So atlas is a book of map. You can find anything in atlas. Now I am coming north pole and south pole and equator. Equator is equator line. Equator line distributes into two half direction from here to there. You can say one part and here to in lower side second part. And like this, it distribute into half past. Yani equator who is drawn on 0 degree, that it divides to two half pass, north pole in upper side, south pole in lower side. And now I have denoted in previous classes that the earth moves around the sun. The earth is a unique planet. Maybe chances it will be come in questions, how can you say that earth is a unique planet? So earth is a place where lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere are available. So you can say that earth is a place where human being live and fulfill his requirement on the land, like this air, water and corn and everything is available on the earth, so that it is suitable for human beings. So you can say that earth is a unique planet. Metals and non-metals are available on the land, minerals available on the land. So you can say that earth is a unique planet. Okay, dear students, now I am coming map. The word map is taken from the Latin word mappa, which means cloth. Mappa means cloth. पुराने जमाने में कोई भी चीज जो है क्लॉथ पे लिखा जाता था और फिर दे आर सेंडिंग टू अनदर पर्सन, और अनदर पर्सन उस मैप को पढ़ लिया करता था कि भाई ये संदेश आया हुआ है. तो नाउ आई एम सेइंग दैट मे रिप्रेजेंट द होल अर्थ और ए पार्ट ऑफ इट. द मैप ऑफ द अर्थ इज ड्रॉन ऑन ए क्लॉथ ऑन एनी प्लेस. तो यस, मैप जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, मैप्स तीन प्रकार के होते हैं. देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ मैप. फर्स्ट इज फिजिकल मैप, second is political map, and third is thematic maps. There are three qualities of maps. Now I am coming this that physical maps. What do you mean by physical maps? What do you mean by physical maps? So that you can say there are three types of maps. First is physical map. There are three types of map. First, physical map. In physical map, what will be happen? So you will say that if you want to show plateau, mountain, plains, water bodies, so that you can show in physical map. If you want to show mountains, plateaus and plains and water bodies like this, lakes, like this, you have to write this type: lakes, mountain, any water bodies you can show in physical map. Now I am coming to another, that's political map. If you want to show the states, if you want to show that states, countries, towns, so you can show in states, countries and others. You can show in political map. And thematic map में thematic map you will show in thematic map you will show in soil, forest and others. So these are three categories of maps. यानी mappa word is a Greek word and it means cloth. You have to show the map like physical map, so that's lake, mountain and any water bodies you can show on physical map. If you want to show in political map, so that state, countries and district and other things, other places you can show on the political map. And thematic map, if you want to show that soil, forest and natural things, so that you have to show in thematic map. Okay, now I am coming that if any question is coming that who is cartographer? The art of map is known as cartographer. Okay, second thing I am coming question is this: how many types of direction? So there are 4 types of direction: north, south, east, west. N for north, S for south, E for east and W for west. Yani these are 4 direction. And north, like this you have seen the compass indicate that where is north direction. compass is used for searching the north direction. It shows, its needle of compass shows that here is north direction and we can go. We can go in north direction if we want. If you want to go in north direction, so that's by the help of compass we can go. So dear students, कंपास की सहायता से हम नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई एम कमिंग कन्वेक्शनल सिंबल. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट टर्न ऑफ कन्वेक्शनल सिंबल. व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ कन्वेक्शनल सिंबल? सो दैट कन्वेक्शनल सिंबल क्या है? तो कन्वेक्शनल सिंबल के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. convectional symbol. Yes, dear students, what do you mean by convectional symbol? So convectional symbol is a symbol those represent the all things, like if you want to show well, if you want to show pond, if you want to show post office, police station and other things, so that's by the symbol you can show the convectional. Like this, I am making tree. So that's this is the convectional symbol of tree. If you want to make temple, so that you have to do like this. You can show this type, yani like this: temple, tree, well. This type you can show. And this is convectional symbol of the following words. So this type you can show in your book. Convectional symbol are there, so that you have to read with carefully and you can understand and you can make a diagram of these. These are very important for us to know in about that what is the indication. So this is the indication symbol of tree, this is the indication symbol of temple, this is the indication symbol of well. Like this, police station, post office and other things are there. So that it is convectional symbol are written in your book, so you can read. Yes, now I am coming that colors. What are the use of colors? Now I am denoting to you that colors are very important for us, that they denotes that what are used for it. Like this, colors are very important for us. Color, by the help of color we can know, by the help of colors we know that what is this. Like this, if you want to show the depth area of the water bodies, so that's blue color refers to water bodies. It refers to water bodies. It refers to water bodies. Yani like this, if you want to show the depth area of the water, or like this you can say river water, ocean water and other water, so that's you have to show blue color. And light blue, whenever water is shallow, यानी like this, हल्का पानी है, हल्का गहरा है, तो you have to use light blue. And if water is very depth, यानी बहुत गहरा है, तो उस जगह को हम ब्लू कलर से दर्शाते हैं. ओके, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल ऑफ यू? यस, आई होप दैट you have understood. Yes, now third, green color. It refers to greenery. It refers to greenery areas. Yani like this, ग्रीन कलर इट रेफर्स टू ग्रीनरी, यानी लाइक दिस हरियाली का प्रतीक होता है ग्रीन कलर। इफ यू वांट टू शो द प्लांट many varieties of shrubs, herbs and plants, and like this you can say fauna. Fauna is available in that place, that's why green color is there. You can use the color of green if you want to show the fauna. Fauna it refers to plant. Now I am coming, that's brown color, BROWN, brown color. It refers to mountainous area, mountainous and plateau areas. And like this, brown color. If you want to show the plateaus, so that you can use brown color. Okay, and these are the variety of colors. Many colors are indicating a lot of knowledge, so you have to gain the knowledge regarding colors, so that you have to knowledge in about blue color, green color, brown color, yellow color and other colors. Okay, so now I am coming back, plans, maps and sketches. So yes dear students, what do you mean by sketches? Sketches are, if you want to show any a small place on a paper, that is known as sketches. If you want to show a small areas on a large paper, so it is known as sketches. And you can use a sketch for everything. Understand? It is like this. Sketches, maps and conventional symbols you have studied in this class. So I hope that you learn about that uses of colors. And at the last moment I want to say to all candidates, all students of 6th class, you have to use keywords of all chapters are coming in Essay 1 exam. And I hope that you have got the syllabus of history, geography and civics, chapter number 2, 3 in history, geography and civics. So that you have to fully confident and preparation for the exam of Essay 1. Thank you so much. I hope that. Thank you so much.